You open the mail and say this, a tax bill. And for a lot of people, it's a stressful and complete surprise every time they file their taxes. But what if I told you that you could know right now if you owe money? You can. Welcome back to the channel. Today is tip number 2 in our 9-part series. Check your withholding now. Your withholding is simply the amount of tax your employer prepays to the Internal Revenue Service on your behalf. If your employer doesn't send enough, you get a bill. If your employer sends too much, you get a refund. Our goal is to get it just right for no surprises. Step number 1, grab your phone or your computer, go to the IRS.gov and search for the Tax Withholding Estimator. It's a free official tool. I'll link it in the description below. Step number 2, gather your information. You will need your pay stub, your spouse's pay stub if you're married, and an idea of any other income or deductions you have. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Step number 3, submit a new W-4. The estimator will tell you if you are on track, owe money, or are getting a big refund. If you need to make a change, it will guide you to fill out a new form W-4 and give it to your payroll department. Quick tip here. If you have a side hustle or freelance income, this tool will show you if you need to make estimated quarterly payments to avoid penalty. We'll dive in deeper into that soon. Doing this simple check before the year ends gives you just enough time to adjust. It's the ultimate financial power move. So, were you surprised by the tax bill last year? Share your story in the comments. Let's help others avoid the same stress. Subscribe for tip number 3, how to supercharge your retirement and save on taxes. Like and share this with a friend who needs a financial check.